Hi students. Often in our school life or college life, we may come across instances where we have to deliver a speech on stage, be it at a farewell party or when you're elected as a head boy or a head girl. So today let's discuss how to write a speech and how to say it. This speech can be delivered when you are selected or elected as a head boy or a head girl. So usually we start with respected principals, teachers and my dear friends, but a catchy way to start a speech is to start with a quotation, something like this: coming together is the beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. Now this is a very apt quotation because as a head boy or a head girl, your job would be to be a team leader. So we start with this, and then you can use the usual sentence: respected principals, teachers and my dear friends, I feel honored at being given the responsibility of a head boy of this esteemed institution. Now there are some cliched sentences like I promise to do my duties to the best of my abilities without fear or favor. You may use that, or you may take an offbeat course. You should always try to speak something which people haven't heard before. So here I continue. School is not only an infrastructure but also a practice for future. The things taught in school are not just the education but the means of education. This means is that our education doesn't end with getting the certificate of 10th standard or 12th standard or a degree. Actually, it trains us how to be curious and how to do research and continuously learn in our life. Next paragraph, which means that you'll take a pause. Being a student for 11 long years at St. Joseph's, I can assuredly say that it is the best institution to be in. Now say this only when you mean it. Otherwise modify the sentence. It is the confluence of well-educated guiding lights. The teachers who burn themselves through their hard work to lit up the developing candles. So here developing candles is a metaphor for students. A perfect head to lead the institution, the principal, and the other supporting staff who help us through their visible and invisible ways. So that was quite a long sentence, but it makes perfect sense. If you're not comfortable with long sentences, then use short ones. Undoubtedly, I can say that St. Joseph's family is helping me to emerge as a good student with an influential and effective personality. For me, being the head boy is not about the position or a title, but it is about action and example which can make a difference. I stand here as a leader, not just to lead you, but to work in collaboration with each one of you to achieve the best for our school. This is a very important point. Just because you have position of power doesn't mean that you can abuse it or misuse it. You have to work in collaboration with all the other teachers and students. I promise to work hard with all my zeal, that is energy, devotion and determination. My best efforts are inclined towards the excellence of our school. So here you are not going to brag about yourself, nor are you going to flatter the teachers. Rather give some honest feedback about the benefits you've got from the school and how this position, this role as a head boy will help you to grow, help you discover new horizons, and promise that you will work not just to satisfy your ego, but to help the students and help the school, which is your duty. Hi students. If you found this video useful, press the like button. Also to enroll for my online lectures or online test series, email me or message me on Instagram Check the description for more information.